The body needs iron for various processes, including producing hemoglobin in red blood cells, which carry oxygen from the lungs throughout the body. Your body cannot produce iron, though it can store it. Only food can provide you with iron. If you want to know more about iron-rich foods and increasing iron absorption, watch this video on parshealthhtv until the end. Iron is a crucial mineral that supports the maintenance of healthy blood. Iron deficiency anemia, which affects about 4 to 5 million Americans each year, is a condition caused by a lack of iron. It is the most prevalent nutritional deficiency in the world, making people extremely tired and dizzy. All ages are affected, but the highest risk groups for this condition include children, pregnant or menstruating women, and those undergoing kidney dialysis. Hemoglobin, a class of proteins found in red blood cells and responsible for transporting oxygen from your lungs to every part of your body, is heavily reliant on iron. Fatigue results from a lack of red blood cells, which carry oxygen, caused by an inadequate intake of iron. Specifically in muscle tissues, myoglobin, a protein that transports and stores oxygen, also contains iron. Children's brain development and growth, as well as the normal synthesis and operation of numerous cells and hormones, depend on iron for healthy development. Heme and non-heme iron are the two types of iron found in food. Animal-based foods, such as meat, poultry, and seafood, contain heme. Plant-based foods like whole grains, nuts, seeds, legumes, and leafy greens contain non-heme iron. Animals consume non-heme iron-rich plant foods, so non-heme iron can also be found in fortified foods and animal meat. Transferrin, a blood protein that binds to iron, distributes iron throughout the body from where it is stored as ferritin in the spleen, liver, muscle tissue, and bone marrow. When anemia is suspected, a doctor may occasionally check the blood levels of these two substances. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff in upcoming videos. Food sources. Heme and non-heme iron are the two types of iron found in food. Non-heme iron, present in plant foods and eggs, is less effective at being absorbed than heme iron, which is present in meat, poultry, and seafood. In the US, iron is often added to bread, cereals, and infant formulas. Non-heme iron is not as well absorbed by the body as heme iron. The absorption of non-heme iron can be boosted or hindered by specific factors. The absorption of non-heme iron can be boosted by taking vitamin C and heme iron at the same meal. The absorption of non-heme iron can be inhibited by bran fiber, large doses of calcium, mainly from supplements, and plant compounds like phytates and tannins. Heme iron comes from a variety of sources: oysters, clams, mussels, organ meats, beef or chicken liver, canned sardines, poultry, beef, canned light tuna. Non-heme iron sources include fortified breakfast cereals, dark chocolate, at least 45%, beans, lentils, potato with skin, enriched rice or bread, spinach, nuts, seeds. Meat provides more iron for your body to absorb than other sources. If you choose not to consume meat, you may need to consume more iron-rich plant-based foods to absorb the same amount of iron as someone who consumes meat. Foods that increase iron absorption. Iron absorption has been shown to be improved by vitamin C. It binds non-heme iron and stores it in a way that your body can absorb it more quickly. Citrus fruits, dark green leafy vegetables, bell peppers, melons, and strawberries are high in vitamin C. Consequently, increasing your body's absorption of iron by consuming citrus juice or other foods high in vitamin C and high iron foods at the same time. By consuming vitamin C-rich vegetables with meals, iron absorption in vegetarian and vegan diets may be improved. So, to improve iron absorption, choose foods containing vitamin C. Your body can absorb dietary iron more effectively with vitamin C found in citrus juices like orange juice. In addition, vitamin C is present in broccoli, kiwi, grapefruit, leafy greens, oranges, melons, strawberries, peppers, tomatoes, tangerines. Foods containing beta-carotene and vitamin A. Your immune system, vision, and bone development are all significantly impacted by vitamin A. A reddish-orange pigment called beta-carotene is present in plants and fruits. Your body is capable of converting it into vitamin A. Carrots, sweet potatoes, squash, spinach, kale, red peppers, cantaloupe, oranges, apricots, and peaches are good sources of beta-carotene and vitamin A. The body stores iron, which vitamin A aids in the release. As a result, getting enough vitamin A is crucial for preventing iron deficiency anemia. Symptoms. Iron deficiency anemia can initially be so mild that it is not recognized. The signs and symptoms, however, worsen as the body's iron deficiency and anemia worsen. The following are possible signs and symptoms of iron deficiency anemia: extreme fatigue, pale skin, weakness, headache, dizziness, or lightheadedness, chest pain, fast heartbeat, and shortness of breath, cold hands and feet, inflammation or soreness of your tongue, unusual cravings for non-nutritive substances, like ice, dirt, or starch, brittle nails, poor appetite, particularly in infants and children with iron deficiency anemia. RDA. The RDA for iron varies based on age, sex, and health status, according to the National Institutes of Health, NIH. As an example, between 19 and 50, females require 18 mg/mg per day. Males need 8 mg per day between the ages of 19 and 50. To meet the increased demands, pregnant women need 27 mg per day. Aim for 9 mg per day if you're breastfeeding. Here are a few general recommendations for increasing iron intake and enhancing absorption. Eating more iron-rich foods, such as lean meats, nuts, beans, lentils, dark leafy vegetables, and fortified breakfast cereals. Adding more vitamin C-rich foods, such as citrus fruits, peppers, tomatoes, and broccoli, to meals, along with a variety of heme and non-heme iron sources, is recommended. Use supplemental iron, but first talk to your doctor. Maintaining a balanced, healthy diet. Anyone who exhibits signs of iron overload or deficiency should consult a physician. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Looking for more informative videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Hope you have a wonderful day.